So Rob and I are in my brother-in-law's basement, and we're getting ready to rip out an old superstore because it's leaking at the bottom, right, Rob?
It is totally rotted off the bottom.
So today we're kind of playing this old house, and we're gonna rip this thing out of there and put in a Will McLean one in its place. It's gonna drain all the water out of this thing to get the water out of the storage tank. We start cutting pipes and replacing it. How make it out, Rob? Yeah, sometimes these unions can be a little stubborn to break free, but throw 2 wrenches on it and you should be able to crack it. Unions all over this thing. Not yet.
Oh, the coil's fried.
Alright, so we have a new Will McLean Aqua Plus storage tank in place. Rob's gonna tape up some nipples, right?
Yeah, I'm taping my nipples.
And then nothing never lines up, so we're gonna switch some piping around a little bit, and yeah, we're gonna have to match some stuff up with this. Yeah, it lines right up.
I go right there.
Exactly. Perfect. Now lining up another piece that we took off the old storage tank, and we're gonna get this to line right up, right, Rob?
Yeah, absolutely.
There you go. All the marbles. Hopefully nothing sprays out at us or rub. And we're gonna let this fill up. So this is the Will McLean Aqua Plus. It wasn't too bad to put in. And like a lot of the piping's on the back on this one. It's a little bit different than the Superstore. So we had to switch some pipes around and get it all hooked up. But yeah, now we'll have hot water and somewhere to store it. Rob and I just finished putting this thing in, and works pretty good. Everything seems to be working really good. Just gonna tidy up some wiring on the top, and this is what the back ended up looking like. Cleaned up all the pipe and everything, and hopefully this will last a long time. Will McLean's a pretty good product. I have their boiler in my house, and it's been pretty good.